Can transverse waves be produced in air? No, transverse waves travel in the form of crests and troughs and so involve change in shape. So, the transverse waves can be produced in a medium which has elasticity of shape, as air has no elasticity of shape. Hence, transverse waves cannot be produced in it. Do displacement, particle velocity, and pressure variation in a longitudinal wave vary with the same phase? No, the particle velocity is pi by 2, out of phase with the displacement, and pressure variation is out of phase by pi with the displacement. How can we how can we distinguish experimentally between longitudinal and transverse waves? We can distinguish between longitudinal and transverse waves by performing polarization experiments. Transverse waves can be polarized while longitudinal waves cannot be polarized. What is the direction of oscillation of the particle of the medium through which a transverse waves, a longitudinal wave is propagating? When a transverse wave propagates through a medium, its particles oscillate perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. When a longitudinal wave propagates through a medium, its particles oscillate along the direction of propagation of the wave. What is the difference between wave velocity and particle velocity? The wave velocity or phase velocity is constant for a given medium and is given by v equal to v lambda, while the particle velocity changes harmonically with time. It is maximum at the mean position and zero at the extreme position. We always see lightning before we hear thundering. Why? The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, is much larger than the speed of sound. 340 meter, about 340 meter per second. Consequently, the flash of light reaches us much earlier than the sound of thunder. What does cause the rolling sound of thunder? The multiple reflection of sound of lightning produce the rolling sound of thunder. Two astronauts on the surface of the moon cannot talk to each other. Why? Sound waves require material medium for their propagation. As there is no atmosphere on the moon, hence the sound wave cannot propagate on the moon. Thank you.